Thank you once again for joining us here at Bigo Mix Farm. My name is still Hamza Luwama, and I am here still to share on our main cash crop, our biggest big, our main man, our main export as Uganda in terms of agriculture, and that is coffee. Earlier on I shared with you, we covered the coffee during the sun, but now when the rains come, coffee needs to get fertilizers. And we at Bigo Mix Farm are very good at using natural fertilizers. Today I want to show you a mixture of fertilizers that we are going to have. And today we have already heaped some of the fertilizers right here, as you can see. We have this black, we have this goldish, then we have the other brown. Now the difference is that this is what most of us know from our goats. This is the goat dung. As you can see, it looks like coffee cherries, but actually they're not coffee cherries. This is goat dung. We have kept it here during the sun, and it's dried up now, so it's ready for use. We avoid using the fresh one because it can easily have a lot of acids that can easily burn off our coffee. Now we are going to mix it with coffee husks. You can see the coffee husks. We are going to get a hoe, just like the way people mix sand and cement when they are going to construct a house. We are going to get a spade, get a hoe, and then mix them together. Then lastly, we have what we call sawdust. You also know sawdust. Sawdust comes from wood which has been cut, maybe by cutting timber, by cutting wooden rods which are going to be used for roofing, by cutting wood which is going to maybe be used to make any temporary wall and the like. So we are going to mix this, mix with our coffee husks. Then on top of that, we are going to finalize this with our goat dung. And at the end of the day, we are going to have a mixture of all the three. Then we are going to leave them for some time. Then we shall later on bring our urine. Remember our goat's urine? We mix it in the ratio of 1 to 10. Then we are going to mix all the three together. Then we shall give them some time, like a week. Thereafter, we are going to apply it to our coffee strictly. And then our coffee, we shall see by the end of the season of the rain. We shall see how it will be looking like, how it will be doing. We are going to show you how it's going to be progressing step by step, just like we have showed you our different plants, which include passion fruits, watermelon, and the coffee. My name is still Hamza Luwama, and I thank you so much for keeping it here and making our channel grow. Thank you.